This is a review on a AV receiver, Onkyo model TX-SV636. It's a pretty simple fix on this unit if your tuner is not working. It is an old receiver. It's from '97, so it's about 14 years old. An easy fix to repair the tuner, believe it or not, is a lot of dust accumulates inside the tuner here. So what you want to do is, if you have a air compressor, you want to just clean it out thoroughly. As a matter of fact, if you have it open, just clean the whole thing out. You'll see the dust build up from years. And once you do that, your tuner will fire back up, and you'll be good to go. And that's the review on how to fix your tuner if it's not working. Okay, thanks for watching.